Adi from the Italia Kitchen Group training room in Dubai.
Italia Kitchen Group is a leading kitchen equipment and services provider in UAE, Bahrain, Mauritius and Maldives.
My name is Francesca.
My name is Maria.
We are from Cooking at Home and we organize Italian cooking lesson in Dubai.
Today we will show you how to make fresh pasta from scratch. Pinch of salt, and then you start to scramble the eggs like you do when you make scrambled eggs, trying to incorporate the flour step by step. And then when you see that it's smooth and soft, the dough needs to rest for at least 20-30 minutes on the fridge and need to be covered with clean cloth. Like this, and you see the dough that is coming up, and our egg is ready now.
After 20 minutes rest, we can start to work our pasta and to make tagliatelle. Buon appetito!